Today I'm taking you inside FireAds, one of the more talked about CPA networks for affiliate marketers in 2025. Right from the start, the sign-up process was straightforward, although they do manually approve accounts, which can take anywhere from a few hours to a full day depending on your profile and country. Once logged in, you're greeted with a clean dashboard that shows your current stats, including earnings, clicks, leads, and conversion rates. Navigating through the dashboard, the Offers tab is where most of your time will be spent. FireAds features a wide range of offers across multiple verticals like finance, gaming, sweepstakes, health, and mobile apps. You can filter by geo, payout type, and conversion flow. The offers tend to have decent payout rates, although they're not the highest in the industry. Many are SOI, single opt-in, or DOI, double opt-in, and there's a decent mix of CPL and CPA models. One thing to note is that not all offers are immediately available. Some require approval from your account manager, which can slow things down. That being said, I found the support team to be responsive via email and Telegram. You do get a dedicated manager once approved, which is a plus, but their working hours might not match yours if you're outside of Europe. The tracking system is basic but functional. You get access to post-fact URLs, sub-ID tracking, and a few analytics tools to monitor your campaigns. However, if you're used to more advanced platforms like Purefly or Max Bounty, you might find FireAds slightly lacking in features. It doesn't integrate directly with most external trackers, so you'll need to do some manual setup. Payouts are a critical aspect, and FireAds does offer multiple withdrawal methods including PayPal, wire transfer, and Payoneer. The minimum payout is low, around $20, making it accessible for beginners. Payments are usually made on time, though I recommend reaching the threshold a few days before the payout window just to be safe. Many useful links you can find in the description. One of the strengths of FireAds is its global accessibility. They accept traffic from a wide range of countries, and you'll often find region-specific offers that other platforms don't provide. This is especially useful for affiliates working with Tier 2 and Tier 3 traffic. However, the platform's UI still has some untranslated Polish text in certain places, which may confuse non-Polish users. FireAds also provides a referral program, letting you earn a percentage of your referrals' earnings. It's a nice extra income stream if you have an audience of affiliate marketers. The rate is usually 5%, which is standard in the industry. The affiliate materials, like banners and email swipes, are okay but not outstanding. You'll likely need to create your own creatives if you want higher conversion rates. Another potential downside is the lack of educational content or onboarding tutorials for new users. If you're just starting out with CPA marketing, you'll need to rely on external resources to understand how to optimize your campaigns effectively. Still, for those with some experience, the learning curve is minimal. In my personal experience, FireAds is a solid mid-tier CPA network. It's not the flashiest or most powerful, but it gets the job done, especially if you're looking to monetize global traffic or test offers from diverse verticals. It's best suited for intermediate affiliates who don't need their hands held but still appreciate decent support and reliability. If you found this review helpful and want to see more honest takes on affiliate platforms, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Your support helps me keep creating real reviews like this one.